Hello guys, I will show you how to use tasks and collections in Anytype. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the subtask called Tasks. Click on it here, you click on the plus button here to add a task. For example, how to install Android app, and just click on this task to open it. So let's go back to Tasks. And here, just select Tasks. You can also add tasks. I'll name it Tasks here. So, for the collections, I'll go with the collection. So the collection is an object containing particular information. So let's click on the place button here. Add to my collection. So name of the collection, my collection, for example, hit enter, click on open. And here with a new object in the new collection. So in, for example, object ID, for example, and also add a page. So this is the new object in the new collection. Let's go over here. This is how to use tasks in a collection, guys. And then, if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.